Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Boomerang. My poor broken Boomerang. Yep, we busted that knuckle. It actually broke it pretty good. Down in there. Snapped that thing right off. And so we're going to be replacing that. We're actually going to throw this on it. The GPM blue aluminum knuckles with heavier bearings, much thicker than stock. They're pretty close. I mean, let's just say it's good enough for who it's for. They match pretty close to the stock stuff. So I want to keep the blue in there if possible, but I want something heavier. We're going to thread lock these in. But before we do that, I want to rip this front end apart. I'm going to pull this diff out because I want to replace the stock grease in it with this. Much thicker stuff, the end I wear. And that really tightens that front diff. It helps pull the car around in the corners, and we're going to do that. I forgot to do that when I built it, so we'll tear that apart, and then we are going to upgrade the motor to a 15 tooth pinion instead of the 13 to give us a little more top speed. Then we're going to go out and play with it for a minute. Since this hasn't been run since I burned the grass, it's been broken the whole time, so we're going to go see if it should not traction roll. I think it's going to handle a lot better out there. A lot more fun. Should be pretty good. So we will get it together. I'll probably record some stuff. Maybe send you some pictures. See this torn down. And we'll get going from there. So stay tuned. We'll go play with it soon. It's good to get this thing back out on the track. Ooh, bonk. That's good. Man, I'm driving like crap today. Goodness for four-wheel drive and that stiffer front diff. This 15 tooth gear is perfect. Perfect. We're liking that. And that stiffer front diff whips that end around really good. Pulls from the front harder because they're all the tires, both front tires are pulling hard instead of unloading more. So working pretty good. I'm liking this car. I'm glad it's running again.